Welcome to PhET. This video primer will give you an introduction to the simulation features and uses. This overview is intended for teacher viewing only. Sims are designed to be exploratory tools, and showing this to students can interfere with their exploration of the simulation.
The friction simulation is a useful tool to help students connect macroscopic observations of friction with changes that occur at the molecular level. The simulation shows a stack of books and an enlarged view of the surfaces where the books touch. The thermometer measures the temperature at the surface where the books are in contact with each other. Students can move the yellow chemistry book either by dragging the book on the stack or by dragging the yellow layer in the enlarged view. Changes in the motion of the molecules can be seen in the microscopic view, and temperature changes can be tracked using the thermometer. I like to begin by having students rub their hands together and describe what they observe. I then ask them to explain what they think is happening at the molecular level when they rub their hands together. Next, I have students make observations of molecular motion and temperature for two scenarios. In the first scenario, students drag the chemistry book without it touching the physics book. In the second scenario, students drag the chemistry book, making sure that the surfaces of the two books are in contact with each other. Once students have compared these scenarios, I challenge them to develop a definition of friction using evidence collected from the simulation. Students might notice that if they rub the books together vigorously, molecules break off the surface of the chemistry book. In my class, I ask students to explain what they think this might look like at the macroscopic level. I hope this gives you a few ideas of how to use this simulation to introduce the concept of friction to your students.
You can find more resources for using this simulation on the simulation webpage. Teaching ideas and tips for using PhET can be found on our Teacher Resources page. Thank you for being a part of the PhET community. Find more information about PhET on one of our social media pages or by subscribing to our newsletter.